Hello friends, welcome to Laravel 13 series. Finally, the version we were all waiting for, Laravel 13 is here. We have been waiting for this for a long time and now is the perfect time to start building something powerful with it. So before we begin, one important thing for this complete series, I will be preparing detailed notes for every video. You can find these notes in the description of the video so that you can use them anytime for revision, practice, or quick reference. So let's start. In this series, we are going to build a next generation AI powered e-commerce website using Laravel 13 and Filament admin panel that I will tell you in detail shortly. Okay, and we are going to build a modern, intelligent, product-ready commerce platform where artificial intelligence is deeply integrated into the system. So, what makes this series special? The main focus of this series will be AI integration, clean architecture, modern admin panel, scalable system design, real world implementation. Okay, so if you want to build something industry level, this series is for you. So what we are going to build, we will create a complete e-commerce system that includes these modules. These modules we have done previously in the previous e-commerce series as well. And now once again, we are going to add these modules, product management, category management, inventory management, order processing, secure checkout, payment gateway integration, coupons and discounts, customer accounts, reviews and ratings, and analytics dashboard. Okay, so this one is new and few more things are new. Secure checkout is also new, and the code that we are going to do for this series is also new. That code is of the latest standards. Okay, so basically everything that a real world e-commerce platform needs, we are going to do that. So the main thing that is very important thing that we are going to do in this series, that is the AI features. The series gives special focus to artificial intelligence. We are going to build these AI features. Okay. See, these AI features we have not done in any of the previous series. Even the Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce website does not have the AI features. But for the first time we are going to add the AI features, so that's why we have named it like the AI powered e-commerce website. Okay, so these features we are going to build: AI product description generator, AI SEO Meta Generator, AI smart search, AI product recommendation engine, AI chatbot for customer support, AI sales analytics dashboard, smart stock alerts, and AI marketing email generator. So these are the some of the AI features that we are going to add in the Laravel 13 e-commerce website. Okay, so this makes the project highly future oriented and industry relevant. So the admin panel that we are going to use, for the first time, we are going to use the Filament admin panel. Filament is a powerful open source full stack UI framework for Laravel that enables developers to rapidly build elegant admin panels, CMS, and custom applications. So we are going to use this Filament admin panel. So let's see what we are going to achieve with this admin panel. So see the features that we will get with the Filament admin panel: modern and professional UI. Okay, so UI is really good enough. Okay, so we are not going to do that hard work like we are building the header, we are building the footer, we are building the sidebar, we are building so many, like we are going to pick the forms and then we are going to insert those forms, then we will start adding the bootstrap and all those kind of things, wasted a lot of time. Okay, but now we will get the full-fledged admin panel that we are required to update as per our own requirement. Okay, so this one is the modern and professional UI and powerful form builder, advanced table with filters, built-in dashboard widgets, fast CRUD generation, growing demand in Laravel ecosystem. See the features. These are very, very good features for the admin panel. With the commands itself, we are going to prepare this admin panel. Just some code we are going to write for the admin panel. So we are going to learn a lot. See, now we need to do the smart work. See, hard work time is gone, and now we need to do the smart work. So that is the smart work to use the best AI, implement the AI feature with the help of AI itself. Okay. These are the techniques that we are going to use. We are going to use the Laravel 13, PHP 8.3 plus that is required. Okay, for that we are going to install the web. If you have not installed, you can install the web. In the another video, I have explained to install the Laravel 13 and how to make your system ready for Laravel 13. Okay, so you can watch that video as well. And we are going to have the MySQL 8. We are also going to do work on the Redis Filament and development that I have already explained you that we are going to do with this series. Open AI API integration that we're going to do. Jobs and queue system and event driven architecture also we are going to do in this Laravel 13 series. Okay, so the architecture approach, this series will follow a clean and professional structure. Service layer, repository pattern, action classes, events and listeners, jobs and queues, caching strategy, and API ready structure. So we are going to take care of all these things in this Laravel 13 series. Okay, so this will give us the clean and professional architecture, and this will help us understand how production level applications are actually built. Okay, so uh, so who should follow this series? So if you are a Laravel developer, if you are a PHP developer, if you are a student, if you are a working professional, if you are a developer of any kind and you want to learn about AI, then this series is for you. Okay. So anyone who likes development can watch this series. Okay. So in the next part, we are going to install the Zap, not the Zap, we are going to install the web server. Okay, web, we are going to install the web, we are going to install the composer, we are going to install the Laravel 13. Though I have already installed these things into my system, I'm going to tell you once again that how you can able to install the web composer Laravel 13 and create database. We are going to create the database in the next part, and we will also configure the .env file, and we'll also run the default migrations. So everything we are going to work on it step by step. So if you have any confusion anytime, you can surely write me in comments. I am going to reply in comments. So get ready. This is going to be one of the most practical and future ready Laravel series on this channel. So let's get started for this series, and please stay tuned for the future videos. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.